Taas. Normal lang yun, guys. I love you, guys. Sabi ko, I love you. Hi, mga kapet. This is how we film a TikTok.
Ano natin kagabi kasi ang ganda.
Isa pang round ang...
Basta it.
Yun. Hi, mga kapet. Bakit? Hi. Sure mo naman, hi, mga kapet.
Ay, mga kapet.
We're here.
Sa Ascot.
Yeah, we just finished church.
Mga church girlies.
Wow. Oh my God. Wait, let's do this like every weekend. Tama din namin si Ate AG from the East. And of course, my Nathan. She's bringing me closer to God.
Really? Sinasabi mo yan, ha?
Oo nga, diba? She's going to church. Dahil na kami mag-church, but she's going to church. Danica and I will make tambay somewhere. What did you buy? What did you buy?
Italian.
Uy, I thought ba we're gonna eat?
Ha?
We're gonna eat, right?
Wala pa akong kinakain. Kundi itlog. Nani ka, press tayo. Itlog pa lang nakakain buong araw.
Looks good.
We are at table.
After church.
Like,
So beautiful.
Church. We're gonna have dinner. Ay, masarap yung sweet potato fries nila.
I don't wanna eat. I just wanna look at it. But thank you.
Wow.
Wait, what's this?
Guys,
Guys,
but I substituted for oat milk.
since there's no air one here, dahil ko ordered something similar daw. But let's try. I just siksik it. Oo nga. Oh. Oh my God. Girl, I'm sorry. What's that? What's that?
Berry almond, but I asked for oat milk.
Berry almond. But oat milk instead of... Okay.
Dahil love ko si Danica and miss ko na yung Bayonetta glasses ko.
Yellow basket yan ni Danica.
I get red. Parang it's not bagay.
Yeah. Mas okay na yung ganito. Para you can use it kahit anong outfit.
Kaso lang, I'll try black then. There's black.
This is so good.
I have a new friend because Ate Blight is taking so long. You're our new friend. You're our new friend. Say hi. say I'm the new friend. Hi. So cute.
She's here. The salmon.
Pokeball.
Yeah,
Gigis na lang
salmon.
ang order ko. Yung Pokeball. First time ko lang ito try tomato. Ganda na makeup mo. You can try to get a different pastas. Magtikiman na lang tayo. So, pesto.
The pesto sounds unique.
Or yung alio oil. Or
Mas ko, truffle or pesto girly ako.
Pesto para something new. Can I see what the pasta looks like? If I search it. I was scared.
You order
With burrata, ha?
Yes.
Our classic fave. Pain pati po. Ah, that's cute. After saying that, we won't. There was a baby a while ago. Where? A while ago, who took a picture with us. And I took a video.
Talagang mga baby. I want a newborn baby.
Ito maganda nails purple.
Depends on your gown.
black na velvet. Pero naka-gloves kasi ako.
Oh! Huwag ka na mag-simple nails ka na lang underneath. Kasi,
Nude na lang ako.
yup.
Goodbye nails.
Pero ito mapagawa kay Ate Ellie. Ate Ellie wants to do your nails.
Where is she from then?
Ayala Alabang. Ayala Alabang. Sorry, no. Ayala Heights. Ayala Heights.
In Sapit din.
Yes.
Parang this is nice.
Yes.
But I don't know what you I don't know what to
Papakita mo ba sa amin yung gown mo? Oo. Kita.
Di ba kita? Ay,
Akin na lang yan.
Why? There's so many pa, oh.
this will be gold
Wow.
metal. Tapos,
Natin kagabi kasi ang ganda ko.
You're beautiful every day. You guys are beautiful every day. I love you guys. Sabi ko, I love you. Love it. Oo nga eh. Wala lang ganun.
Super ko pinag-iisipan lately. Parang ayoko na, parang never na mag-vegetarian.
Hard talaga. So, kailangan ko yun. I'm Hailey. Hindi yan rinig! Siyempre, lalagyan ko yun ng ano. No, I'm Hailey! Uy, di ba Kendall ka? Nag-establish na natin yan. Hailey kasi dahil sa strawberry makeup. Wait lang. Guys, disclaimer lang ha. Yung namin ni Danica, sobrang comfortable na kasi namin lahat sa isa't isa. So, sobrang normal na yun. Walang anuhan. Walang...
Ano na-explain mo?
Hindi kasi sa kanina sa taas. Normal lang yun, guys, ha.
pero tawag dito, i-rinig about sa may...
Ay, ang kulit. Oo nga, alam ko na nga yan. I know that already. Don't you trust me? Yes. Say it again.
Papaisipin talaga yung mga ano kaya yun?
Say it again. Diba? Para they have something to look forward to.
Ano yung sasabi natin kanina?
Guys, we're gonna shoot a TikTok.
Sana I'm audible because I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm not wearing any earphones while doing a voiceover. But anyways, it's so normal na talaga for us to shoot a TikTok. Like, every time we hang out, parang kailangan na talaga namin mag-TikTok. And it's just so cute kasi I have this like part sa notes ko of what TikToks will do next. Especially kasi diba we're gonna travel soon. And by the way, I really enjoyed this night with my girl girls. Sobrang love ko talaga sila. Sobrang swerte ko sa kanila. And I hope kayo rin mga kapeti, maka-find kayo ng girlfriends nyo na sobrang strong ang bond. This is what I like about our friendship. Like, yes, it's so babaw, pero grabe, hindi talaga kami magsistop ng TikTok. Like, hindi namin sasabihin na, okay na yan, pwede na yan. Like, kapag hindi pa kami satisfied, uulitin talaga namin. We're really so patient with each other. Kailangan talaga perfect. Like, sa pictures, ganyan. So, sa mga smallest ways and actions, makikita mo talaga na we really care and we're very patient with each other.
B, alam niya to? Try na.
Kahit ano tingin ko,
Feeling ko mas okay yan.
malawak naman ang knowledge sa wins.
So, mga kapeti, here we played like a karaoke. Basta sa TikTok. And gusto ko talaga siya i-unmute. But then, makaka-copyright ako. And sayang kasi this was so funny. Like, I think we had 4 rounds each. It was so entertaining. Life was the funniest. Kasi, alam mo yun, meron kaming piniplay na song. And hindi nagmamatch yung kinakanta niya. Pero, like, it makes sense. Like, it just, nagmamatch pala siya, but, like, it's not the song that she's singing, but it's like, the same, and it's so funny. It was so funny. You guys should do this if you're bored, like, and hanging out with friends, or if y'all are drunk, y'all should do this, because it's so fun talaga, I swear. See, it's so cute, kasi, dati talaga, nag-aano kami, nagbabar kami, ganyan, pero, this time, hindi. Nag-church kami and nag-wholesome night kami. It was so cute. Aw, thanks for being here, guys. Good night. No, I don't want. Please, ayoko nang makisiksik. Night, I love you guys. Good night. Love you guys. Good night. Bye, Danica. Oh.
Bye, guys.
I miss you.
Thanks for adopting me.
No, I miss you. It's me again, alone. I need a boyfriend. Char. I don't need a boyfriend. Ew, it's like no use in my life. Uy. Oh my God, Danica, ano ginagamit pang hanap?
Nagtanong lang!
That is so good. I-take out namin kagabi. Sarap. Bye, love you. Kain ka muna, go.